With the continuous progress of technology and changes in market demand, the development direction and trend of SMT mounting machines are manifested as high-speed, high-precision, intelligent, automated, modular, flexible, energy-saving, and environmental protection, as well as system integration and integration. These development trends will help improve the overall competitiveness of the electronic product manufacturing industry and meet the market's demand for high-quality, high-performance, environmentally friendly, and intelligent products. So, has the performance of the SMT machine improved? And has the after-sales service of the SMT machine improved? To enhance core competitiveness, we must pursue ultimate service. Fully understand customer needs and understand customers better than they do. Empowering technological innovation with excellent technology and efficient services. We continue to provide high-quality service.